partnership and the work which we have done in Masina Hospital in the COVID times, we have been able to successfully manage COVID patients in this hospital and continue our non-COVID services, especially cardiac, dialysis and other units. And that is thanks to the strict protocols and things developed. But at that time also we realized that the need of the hour is to create a setup where we can take a patient of COVID or non-COVID without a problem, without any danger to either of the groups. And this has come to fruition in this unit. So this unit has got the unique features which Dr. Hamdullah will explain to you anyway, where we can take any patient who comes in, tackle the emergency, especially in the acute stage, and immediately take the patient up and give the treatment as desired. We maintained cardiac services. We treated more than 100 patients in this time and were able to save lives thanks to the fact that we were able to create a triage system where the patients were taken in and treated successfully. I think we are progressing in everything, and the hospital is going ahead with primary, secondary, tertiary and other services, and we are going to go ahead and do better and better in future. Thank you.
So what do you want to say?
Just to add, I am also from Masina. Just to add to what Dr. Joki has said, this unit which has come up is completely perfect in terms of infection control. It's going to be a landmark thing. It's going to be something which is not there in the city of Bombay, indeed in the country itself. So this is something which will be another feather in the cap of Masina Hospital, and we are looking forward to going ahead with all kinds of other institutions also. Thank you.
So this unit, what we have put it, is a very specialized state-of-art unit designed by Philips and conceptualized by them. The unique part of it that this is a 9-bedded ICU, and every cubicle has its own ventilation system. So we leading to zero cross infection. And the other important thing is, during COVID time, we have seen a lot of cardiac patients. So that is where the idea came. There have been cardiac patients which has been lost because of fear that they may be COVID. And also there has been presentation of COVID in form of cardiac problems like heart attack. So such patients were not getting treatment. So we got this intensive care unit equipped with everything, with an idea that we treat all type of patients, COVID and non-COVID, without cross infection, without fear of any patient not getting any treatment. We have equipped this ICU with even now ECMO system. Now this is very important during this post-pandemic or post-COVID patient whose lungs are going to get destroyed. So they will have a lot of lung problems. So these patients, till their lungs get settled down or gets treated, now they have to be supported by artificial lung. So this ECMO system will support them with artificial lung. We have that system installed here. We have another very high-end technology called as an artificial heart system. Now this helps any patient coming with heart failure. They can be put up on this machine called a Centrimag of left ventricular assist device. And as this unit, this hospital is recognized for heart transplant. We are one of the few hospitals, and till this patient settles down, or if he's not settling down and receives a heart, we can post him for heart transplant. We can keep this patient on machines. We have patient cooling and heating system also here. Suppose patient comes in a very bad shape, so he can be put into suspended animation like a cooling the whole body till his heart recovers, other body part recovers, and we start treating this patient. So as I said, this is a state-of-art unit equipped with all possible gadgets which is any international ICUs or institution has. So we can treat any patient, and the idea is to bring these services within the reach of common man. So that is the motto of Masina Hospital. We see that our services are reachable to every class of patient, not only restricted, because most of the units which I'm mentioning are only available in high-end corporate hospitals. So this Masina Hospital is another one hospital, a charitable hospital in which has been famous for, and to have all these services. So now we can give these services to anybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.